right, we're going to do a little bit further dive into editing the content on your identity page. So remember to do that, we have to go to the top black bar and we go to the identity page icon and we click that and it loads your identity page. Once your identity page is loaded, you can start to edit your content. We've covered a couple of things in some previous videos on content editing. There's a few other items I'd like to cover though. First off, as you hover over the content area of your identity page, you'll see that some of these boxes have this four-pointed arrow to them. That allows you to move those around. So for example, if I want to take my work history and bump it up above my schooling, I could do that. Or I could take my resume and put it back in the middle or bump it up to the top. So those four-pointed arrows indicate you can move that particular item. In addition, when I go and I choose to edit some of the content of my content area using the pencil in the left navigation, there are three items here that actually have little green circles next to them. Let's say, for example, I didn't want people to be able to contact me. I could remove that by clicking this green circle. Notice that once I click it, it turns red and the contact area is gone. Let's say I don't want to have links. I can remove links as well. Or let's say I don't even want to show my resume. I can hide that too. So I can overly simplify my identity page by not having some of this content appear as a part of my ID page. If I want them back, I simply click the circle again and it switches from red to green, indicating that it is once again a part of the content area of my identity page. So those two items are what I want to talk about, just moving objects around and then showing and hiding different components of your content area. Finally, before I wrap up this particular video, let's talk about editing your profile image. So if you don't have the sidebar open, you can hover over your profile image and click the icon, and that loads the image you have. If you don't have one uploaded yet, you could then click the select/upload option and upload an image. But from here, you can resize the profile image that you've uploaded. You can drag it around in this little square box and it'll update over on the right. You can also convert the image to black and white or do a sepia, back to color. It's totally up to you. Just some little visual effects you can apply to your profile image. Once you're done, make sure you click the check to save the changes. The changes aren't automatically saved as you update this, just in case you want to cancel out. So go ahead and click this check and that will save any changes you've made to your profile image. So there's a couple things you can do, rotating or moving objects up and down inside of your content area, editing your profile image, and then show and hide certain content components as well.